Hi, it's Mrs. Lavoy. I'm hoping that you can see and hear me solve this problem. We first are going to talk about going through GEMDAs, which we learned yesterday as G, grouping symbols, E, exponents, M and D is multiplication division, and then A and S. So let's start with this problem. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm just learning how to do this. Pause it while I figure it out. I got it. So here we go. We are going to first start with these grouping symbols. 10 plus 1 is 11. And then I'm going to copy everything down. So we have 6 squared. This is harder than I thought. We have 6 squared. I'll fix that in a minute, I think, if I can. Plus 4, take away 1, plus 3, and then we need to multiply by this 11 that we have. Get in there, 11. Okay, so let me see if I can do this 6 squared. Oh, okay, that's as good as it's going to be. So now, we need to figure out what's next. So, we have on our grouping symbols, we gotta see about exponents. We have them. They're right here, and I made it look funny, but it's 6 squared, which we know is, I should probably type it. It is 6 times 6 in your calculator. 36. It's funny how I'm making it look. 36. Now let's change our color. We have plus 4, take away 1, plus 3 times 11. And what I like to do is make sure I know what all I have. I have a plus, a minus, a plus, and a times. We've done our exponents. We now have multiplication and division. It's right here. I see it. 3 times 11. So 3 times 11 is 33. So let's try and figure out what was before that. There's a plus, there's a 1, there's a minus 4, plus 36. I'll move that over, if it lets me. Okay. So we've done grouping symbols, exponents, multiplication, division. I have a plus, a minus, and a plus. So what I like about this is I am just going to read them from left to right. So 36 plus 4 is, you guessed it, 40. And I have take away 1 plus 33. And I'm going to keep going from left to right. So 40 take away 1 is 39 plus 33. Now that's pretty easy. I think that's 72. Whoa. I think that is 72. I'm not good at writing this. You double check in the calculator and you let me know if that's what you got. But I think that is 72. Okay, so we have another problem to do, and it's going to follow J, A, M, B, S. So we're first looking for grouping symbols, and we have a lot right here. So we have to work ourselves inside out. So for this one, I know I got to go from the innermost. 1 plus 6 is 7. So now I have to copy everything else down. And I'm going to add this. 10, take away 2 times 7 plus 30 times 2. So I still have grouping symbols. And I see that I have to do a minus or a times. I do that first. This is 14. Bring everything down. We still have grouping symbols. This is -4. And those are done. I have no exponents. I have multiplication. So this is 60. And then I bring down my addition problem. -4 plus 60 is D6.